stomach. Okay, so as you can see here, in the stomach we have a lining that will form gastric gland. So what is the function of gastric gland actually? So gastric gland will produce gastric juice. Basically, in the gastric juice we have hydrochloric acid, mucus, pepsin and renin. So first, let's see the function of hydrochloric acid. So basically, the function of the hydrochloric acid is to stop the salivary amylase and to kill the bacteria in the stomach. Okay, so what is the function of pepsin? So the function of pepsin is to break down protein to the polypeptide through hydrolysis, while the function of renin to coagulate milk by converting to carcinogen to the casein. So the function of mucus is to protect the stomach wall from hydrochloric acid and digestive enzyme. Okay, last but not least, the content in the stomach become chyme and pass to the duodenum.
Yo, it's duodenum time. Yes, that is your duodenum. Hi, I'm Mr. Liver.
Hi, I'm Bile, and I enter the duodenum via the bile duct.
Hi, I'm Pancreas and I secrete pancreatic juice. Yum! Yup, digestion of SPL takes place in the duodenum. Yay! It's ileum time! Okay guys, please take note that all carbohydrates are digested into monosaccharides. Proteins are digested into amino acids and lipids to fatty acids and glycerol. And please take note that vitamins and minerals are no need to digest as they are small and soluble. Lastly, dietary fiber cannot be digested.
Now I will present about the food digestion in ruminants and rodents. Food digestion in ruminants and rodents, chapter 6. So this is the ruminants inside of ruminants body. They have 4 chambers of their stomach are divided into 4 chambers, which is called rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So first, the cow or any other ruminants will chew the food, which is grass or any other foods, in the mouth, and then the partially chewed food will passes through the esophagus here, and it will enter the first chamber, which is rumen. In the first chamber rumen, the food that has cellulose will break down into cellulose. The cellulose will break down the cellulose, and it will travel to the second chamber, which is called reticulum. So in reticulum, it will further break down the cellulose. It will break down the cellulose, and now the food will call the cud. The food is called cud, CUD, and after that, it will go. After that, it will make a U-turn to the mouth and be regurgitated there in the mouth. And the cud is chewed here. After that, the cut is swallowed into the third chamber, which is omasum. Here in omasum, the large fruit is chewed and break down into a smaller particles by peristalsis, and then the water is removed from the cut, and it will continue to the fourth chamber, which is abomasum. So in abomasum, the enzyme from the gastric juice will complete the digestion of the cut, and the nutrient will proceed to the small intestine to be absorbed. It will go from the fourth chamber to the intestine, and after that it will be this is the flow of food in ruminants. So now we'll move to the food digestion of rodents. Rodents such as rabbits, squirrels, and rats will eat the food and chew it inside the mouth. After that, it will move along, passes through the esophagus to the stomach, and the stomach will break down the foods and go to the small intestine until it reaches the cecum. In the cecum, cellulose is broken down by cellulase, which is produced by bacteria. After that, it will continue to be a feces. It will goes out of the anus and be a feces. In the first feces, it is a soft feces which are expelled at night, and the soft feces will be eaten again, as rodents will go through the food digestion 2 times to absorb the protein completely. So the rodents itself will eat the feces again, and the soft feces will undergo the same process, but in the stomach it will undergo further digestion, and here in this small intestine the nutrient will be absorbed completely. So it will go to the cecum and to the anus until the anus, and produce a hard feces this time. This is the flow of food in rodents. And here, when the second feces is expelled, it will be a hard feces which are expelled during the day. Now, we will move on to the similarities and the difference. Similarities between the rodents and ruminant is that both does not produce their own cellulase, and instead they have their own cellulase producing microorganism to depend on to digest the foods. Second one, and the next one is both of the animals digest the food twice, while the rodents eat the feces again and redigest it. The ruminants will digest the food twice in their own body. Next is the difference. ruminants' cecum is smaller, while the rodents are larger. Between the stomach, ruminants have four chambers, but rodents have only one. The ingestion of feces, ruminant didn't do that, but rodents does it. While the bacteria inside their body are located in rumen, reticulum, and cecum in ruminants' case, but in rodents it is only located in cecum.